FactVibe channel.
Hi FactVibe friends, welcome to the channel. I'm excited to share some amazing facts with you today. These facts are surprising, fun, and super interesting. Fun does me. Make sure to watch until the end to learn something new. Lust new. On the spolo. It is a lot brilliant industry. Expecting to a Greek cross steals. Let's dive right in and explore the first fact. Fact 1. The human body is made up of more than 60% water. 20 sentences. The human body is mostly water, making up around 60 to 65% of our total weight. Babies actually have an even higher percentage, sometimes close to 75%. As we grow older, the water percentage in our body slowly decreases. The brain is one of the organs with the most water, containing about 75%. Our heart and lungs are also filled with water, helping them function properly. Even our bones, which seem solid, contain water inside. Water is essential for blood circulation, keeping our heart pumping smoothly. Without enough water, our blood becomes thicker and the heart has to work harder. Doctors recommend drinking at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water every day. People who exercise or live in hot climates need even more water. Thirst is actually a late signal that the body is already dehydrated. Water also keeps our skin healthy, soft, and glowing. When we don't drink enough, we can feel tired and lose focus. Water helps regulate body temperature by allowing us to sweat. Sweating cools the body down, especially during heat or exercise. Digestion also depends on water, as it helps break down food. Every single cell in our body requires water to survive. Without water, the human body can only live for a few days. This shows why water is more important than food for short-term survival. In short, water is truly the most vital element for human life. Fact 2. The brain is sometimes more active during sleep than when awake. Many people think the brain rests while we sleep, but that's not true. In fact, certain parts of the brain become even more active at night. During sleep, the brain organizes and stores memories from the day. It processes new information and decides what is important to keep. The brain also solves problems while we are dreaming. Sometimes that's why people wake up with new ideas or solutions. Sleep has different stages, including light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. REM sleep is the stage where most dreams happen. During REM, the brain's activity looks very similar to when we are awake. Scientists discovered that REM sleep is critical for creativity. Without it, people struggle to concentrate and learn new skills. The brain also uses sleep time to clean itself. Special fluids wash away toxins that build up during the day. This cleaning system only works properly while we are asleep. That's why good sleep is linked to a lower risk of brain diseases. Another important task is regulating emotions. People who don't sleep enough often feel more stressed and anxious. Sleep strengthens the connections between brain cells. Without enough sleep, learning and memory become weaker. So even though our body looks quiet, the brain is incredibly busy at night. Fact 3. The human tongue has over 8,000 taste buds. The human tongue is covered with tiny bumps called papillae. Each papilla contains hundreds of taste buds. On average, humans have over 8,000 taste buds. These taste buds allow us to detect different flavors, The 5 main tastes are sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Umami is the taste of savory foods like meat and cheese. Taste buds are not fixed. They regenerate every 2 weeks. Children usually have more taste buds than adults. This is why kids are often more sensitive to strong flavors. Some people are super tasters, with extra taste buds. Super tasters can detect even subtle flavors in food and drinks. Taste buds send signals to the brain about what we are eating. The tongue also helps us chew and swallow food. It works together with saliva to make digestion easier. Taste buds can become less sensitive with age. Smoking, illness, or medications can also affect taste. Proper hydration and oral hygiene keep taste buds healthy. Certain flavors can trigger memories or emotions instantly. Our sense of taste is closely linked to smell. Without taste buds, food would be bland and eating would be less enjoyable. Fact 4. The human heart beats around 100,000 times a day. The human heart is one of the hardest working organs in the body. On average, it beats about 100,000 times every single day. That means it beats over 35 million times in just 1 year. Over a lifetime, the heart can beat more than 2.5 billion times. Each heartbeat pumps blood through the body's network of vessels. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell in the body. At the same time, it removes waste products like carbon dioxide. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. These chambers work in perfect rhythm to keep blood flowing. The right side of the heart sends blood to the lungs. There, blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. The left side of the heart pumps oxygen-rich blood to the whole body. A healthy adult heart pumps about 5 liters of blood every minute. During exercise, the heart can pump up to 3 times more. The size of a heart is roughly the same as a person's fist. Even though it's small, it is extremely powerful. The heartbeat sound we hear is the valves opening and closing. Stress, diet, and lifestyle choices all affect heart health. Regular exercise and healthy eating help keep the heart strong. Without the heart's constant rhythm, life would not be possible. Fact 5. Human bones are stronger than steel. 20 sentences. Many people don't realize how strong human bones actually are. Bone is a living tissue that can repair and grow itself. Ounce for ounce, human bone is stronger than steel. A block of bone the size of a matchbox can support about 9 tons of weight. That's roughly 4 times stronger than concrete. Bones are made of minerals like calcium and phosphorus. These minerals give bones their hardness and strength. Bones are also filled with collagen, which provides flexibility. This balance of strength and flexibility makes bones hard to break. The human skeleton has 206 bones in total. Every single bone has a role in supporting the body. Bones protect important organs like the brain, heart, and lungs. Even though bones are strong, they are lightweight. If bones were solid like metal, we would not be able to move easily. Exercise and a calcium-rich diet keep bones healthy. Vitamin D is also important because it helps the body absorb calcium. As people age, bones can become weaker if not cared for. Diseases like osteoporosis make bones more fragile. Despite this, human bones remain one of nature's strongest materials. It's amazing to think that our skeleton is both strong and flexible at the same time. Fact 6. The human brain has about 86 billion neurons. The human brain is one of the most complex structures in the universe. It contains around 86 billion nerve cells, called neurons. Neurons send and receive signals throughout the body. These signals travel at incredible speeds, up to 400 kilometers per hour. Neurons connect with each other through tiny gaps called synapses. The brain has trillions of these synapses, forming a vast network. Every thought, memory, and action depends on this network. The brain uses electrical and chemical signals to function. Even while we sleep, the brain is still active. Dreams are a result of the brain's nighttime activity. The brain is divided into different parts with unique roles. The cerebrum handles thinking, memory, and decision-making. The cerebellum controls movement, balance, and coordination. The brainstem manages basic life functions like breathing and heartbeat. Despite its complexity, the brain weighs only about 1.4 kilograms. The brain consumes about 20% of the body's total energy. Learning new things creates new connections between neurons. That's why exercising the brain keeps it healthy. A healthy diet, good sleep, and mental activity support brain function. The human brain is the control center that makes us who we are. Fact 7. The human heart beats around 100,000 times a day. The human heart is a powerful organ that keeps us alive. On average, it beats about 100,000 times every single day. This means it pumps continuously without rest. Each beat pushes blood throughout the entire body. In just 1 minute, the heart pumps about 5 liters of blood. Over the course of a day, that adds up to around 7,000 liters. The heart has 4 chambers that work together. 2 chambers receive blood, and 2 pump it out. The right side of the heart sends blood to the lungs. The left side sends oxygen-rich blood to the whole body. The heart is made of strong cardiac muscle. Unlike other muscles, it never gets tired. Heartbeat speed changes depending on activity. When we exercise, it beats faster to deliver more oxygen. When we rest, it slows down to save energy. Emotions can also affect heart rate. Fear, stress, or excitement can make the heart beat quicker. A healthy lifestyle keeps the heart strong. Eating well and exercising regularly are important for heart health. The heart is truly the engine that powers the human body. Fact 8. Humans can distinguish about 10 million different colors. The human eye is an incredible organ for sensing the world. It can detect around 10 million different colors. This ability comes from special cells in the retina called cones. There are 3 main types of cones, each sensitive to red, green, or blue light. By combining these signals, the brain creates millions of color variations. Some people are colorblind and see fewer colors. Others, especially women, can sometimes see even more shades than average. Color helps humans recognize objects and patterns in the environment. It plays an important role in communication and safety. For example, traffic lights use colors to guide drivers. Colors also affect our emotions and moods. Warm colors like red and orange can make us feel energetic. Cool colors like blue and green can create calmness. Artists use color to express feelings and ideas. Nature also uses color to send signals. Bright colors in animals can warn predators of danger. Fact 9. Humans spend about 1/3 of their lives sleeping. Sleep is one of the most important activities for human health. On average, people spend about 1/3 of their lives asleep. That means if someone lives 75 years, around 25 of those years are spent sleeping. Sleep allows the body to rest and recover from daily activities. During sleep, the brain organizes memories and information. The body also repairs muscles, tissues, and cells while sleeping. There are different stages of sleep, including deep sleep and REM sleep. REM sleep is the stage when most dreaming happens. Dreams can be strange, emotional, or even inspiring. Sleep helps strengthen the immune system. Without enough sleep, people may feel tired and less focused. Long-term sleep deprivation can harm health. It can increase risks of heart disease, diabetes, and depression. Adults usually need 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Children and teenagers need even more sleep to grow properly. Good sleep improves memory, mood, and concentration. A quiet, dark, and cool room helps people sleep better. Avoiding screens before bedtime also improves sleep quality. Sleep is not wasted time. It is an essential part of life. Spending 1/3 of life sleeping shows how vital rest is for survival. Fact 10. Earth is the only known planet that supports life. Earth is a very special planet in the solar system. It is the only place we know that supports life. The planet has the perfect distance from the sun for liquid water. Water is essential for all living things to survive. Earth's atmosphere protects us from harmful radiation. It also provides oxygen for breathing. The balance of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide makes life possible. Earth's gravity keeps everything stable and secure. The planet has a protective magnetic field around it. This magnetic field blocks dangerous particles from space. Earth's climate is suitable for plants, animals, and humans. The variety of ecosystems supports millions of species. Forests, oceans, and deserts all create unique habitats. No other planet has been found with such diversity of life. Scientists search the universe for planets like Earth. They call them habitable zones if conditions are right. So far, Earth remains the only confirmed living planet.
This makes it very important to take care of our planet. Protecting nature and resources is vital for the future. Earth is our home and the most unique place we know in the universe.
Thanks for watching FactVibe. I hope you enjoyed these amazing facts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Share this video with your friends if you learned something new. See you next time for more exciting facts.